Hey guys, today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to factor trinomials. Okay, so before we dive into the steps, I just want to point out something real quick. Before you guys even get into the steps, you guys have to identify your A, B, and C. In this case, the A is 2, the B is -19, and the C is 35. Okay. All right, so let's hop into this and let's dive into the steps. All right. So, oh, wait, just one more thing I want to point out. The steps are color coordinated. So as you can see, the first step is green. So you'll find what I did in the first step in green. Okay. So let's do this. So the first step, you want to set up the X method. So what you want to do is you want to draw this big X on your paper. All right. And then what you want to do is you want to get your A and C. So A, 2, and C, 35. And you want to multiply them together. Now, whatever that multiplies to, you're going to put it at this top spot right here, okay? Then, you're going to get the B. In this case, B is -19. So you're going to get B, and you're going to move it to this bottom spot right here, alright? Now, once you're done with that, you can move on to the next step. The next step is you got to find the factors, alright? Now, some people they like to do like factor trees and write out the factors, you know. But personally, I don't like that, you know. Just do whatever's easier for you, you know. But after a couple minutes of thinking, I found that -14x. Oh wait, my bad. I forgot something. So the factors that you're looking for, they've got to multiply to 70 or whatever A times C is for you, and they've got to add to whatever the sum of oh my gosh, my bad. So they've got to multiply to the product of A and C, and then they got to add to B. Okay, so the sum should be B. Okay, so after a couple minutes of thinking, I found that -14 and -5 are great factors, okay? Because -14 times -5 is 70. -14 plus -5 is -19, alright? So, once you found your factors, you can move on to step number 3, alright? So step number 3, you're gonna you're gonna rewrite this thing. You're gonna rewrite the original problem. Everything's gonna stay the same except B. All right, you're not gonna write B anymore. You're in B's place. You're gonna put the factors. Okay, so these are the two factors I implemented in B's place. The 2x squared and the 35 stay the same though. All right. Then once you're done with that, you want to group them. So I grouped them over here, you know. I put them in parentheses, 2 groups. Then after that, step number 4. You're going to find the greatest common factor of each group, okay? So 2x squared, so the greatest common factor of this group right here is 2x, okay? And then on this next group right here, the greatest common factor is -5. So, one more thing to look out for on this step is once you found the greatest common factor of each group, like these two subgroups right here should be the same. They should be identical. They should be like twins, you know. And then for the final step, you gotta write your solution. Okay, so you want to take one of the identical twins, write it down, and then you take the greatest common factors, and then also write them down. Okay, and then you gotta take greatest common factors and write them down and put them in parentheses. So you should end up with 2 groups. All right. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this helped you out.